Pagod ka na ba sa paulit-ulit na work pagkatapos parang pakiramdam mo walang fulfillment? Alam mo yung parang wala ka ng growth sa current job mo. Araw-araw kang pagod pero walang direksyon. Tapos palaging dumadaan yung freelancing virtual assistants, work from home, gusto mo sanang subukan just to see if maybe eto yung calling para magkaroon ng meaningful career. Pero kagaya kayo ni Jel na hindi available dun sa mga oras na nakikita ninyong available online. Maybe, and just maybe, it's time to shift to something new. Something that gives purpose but also have flexibility. This is exactly how I felt back when I was working sa BPO na narating mo na yung rurok ng corporate ladder pero hindi ka pa rin masaya. Alam mo sa sarili mo na kaya mo yung basic administrative work. Maayos naman ang iyong communication skills, both written at saka verb. Ando na yung work from home readiness, laptop, headset, strong wifi. Tapos nag-iisip ka, ano ba yung pwede mong gawin para matuto ka na mag-work from home but at the same time hindi makaka-apekto pa sa current job mo. My recommendation is pag-aralan mo ang real estate virtual assistant. Ito yung pinakang-una kong pinag-aralan nung mag-shift ako to freelancing na gusto ko na sana mag full-time pero hindi ako sure kung kaya ko na ba. Kasi yung role ng real estate virtual assistant, marami siyang similarity sa ginagawa ko sa corporate work. Tools and systems, madaling pag-aralan. You will be working side by side with your client so madali mo silang matatanong kung may kailangan kang matutunan. But at the same time, alam ko sa sarili ko na nandun na yung skill ko. Kailangan ko na lang siyang i-hone pa para ma-match yung industry. So if this is you, ladies and gentlemen, last and final call, yung class namin ngayong Sunday ay closing na today at 4 o'clock. Inuulit ko, hindi po kami natanggap na ng mga pahabol. Closing na po today at 4 o'clock yung Real Estate Virtual Assistance class na may kasamang internship. If you guys wanna join, i-click nyo lang tong link sa bio ko. Choose GigHub. Pagdating nyo dito sa GigHub, under live mentorship, hahanapin nyo lang 999 Real Estate Virtual Assistance with internship. I-click nyo yan and it will take you to the form. So kung naghahanap ka ng affordable, may actual client experience before ka mag-apply, hands-on mentorship from a trusted coach, community support, at flexible career path, then this is your chance. Inuulit ko lang, yung class sa Sunday, yung class is 4 till 9 p.m., 999 pesos lang siya. Pagkatapos meron na yung internship after the live class is closing today at 4 p.m. Kasi kailangan nyo munang tapusin yung onboarding bago kayo makasama sa live class sa Sunday. Alam mo yung sabi nila na minsan ang kulang lang ay one decision para magbago ang buong future mo? Baka ito na yun. So wag ka na magpatumpik-tumpik pa. Comment any questions you guys have about working from home. Follow for more work from home chismis and I'll see you sa classroom.